Finally, good news, Arcade homepage is now live. You can see the page was not accessible earlier. Now it is updated and you can see all the badges are live over here. Currently, the Arcade price tiers means how many points are required for getting the swags is not live yet. It will be live by today or tomorrow for sure. We are waiting for the update. As of now, if you don't know about the Arcade program, how to participate, in the description box I have attached the video links. Also, you can just check the master guide over here, how to participate and how to complete these monthly games which are listed over here. You have to simply click on monthly games. The sheet will open and you'll find all the solutions. We have made every possible solution live. You won't face any issue over there. You can comment down below if you face any issue. How to complete and just register in this program in Hindi and English. We have covered both the things. So here is the batch link. Here is the access code and here is the solution playlist. Access it, complete the challenges and enjoy the theme. This was a quick update I wanted to share, and if you want to participate in different events, you can just check out the channel. We have covered multiple events out here. Thank you, goodbye, and have a great day.